All the time. I have this theory.
What's up, y'all? Look, Jenny.
Never mind.
Hey, Jenny. Y'all look around with Jenny Bug.
Did you have that loud, annoying high
I'm with Jenny Bug. Y'all, so I'm home.
promise?
I think this is my first time getting the camera on. Oh, since I told y'all I was gonna let y'all know what was going on. We supposed to be going trick or treat, and child, my baby supposed to be an astronaut, but the keys done got locked in the car, so
I knew you'd laugh.
I don't know, y'all.
You are so mean.
So I'm bummed out about it for real, but we're trying to get the keys out the car,
I'm
so
gonna fly over there and tell Robin what a jerk you are.
hopefully we get the keys out the car. But I got a spare key, but I don't know where it is. I don't know. But y'all, that's what's gonna come in, Johnny. Show him your costume. Then y'all, I bought him some shoes, some black boots to go with this. Come on, come stay right here. Let me see. Ooh, Julia, with your costume. He's the astronaut. He has some black boots to go with this, but I guess he can't fit them. And wear your helmet. Yeah, we gotta get. Let me find this helmet. See this helmet. Okay, Jenny, show him your costume. Come on.
Now you're going to meet someone.
Come on, Bookie.
The President of the United States.
Here, come show him.
Vice President.
Ooh, look at my astronaut. Okay, Houston, we have a problem.
New student joining your class.
Okay. Let me see your face. Oh, hold on.
He's from London, England.
And then it come up. Come here.
Welcome,
Look.
Emerson.
Look, Jenny. Julia. Look. And then it come up. So you can see his face. But he like it down.
Never seen
So,
before. Wow, Emerson talks like the man in the
so I'll update y'all and let y'all know if we going or not, or if we did go or if we didn't go. I'm so upset.
Emerson? No.
So yeah,
Why are you in a wheelchair?
I'll let y'all know if I did or didn't go. Hold on, I gotta cut line. Okay, turn around so we can see if
Wait.
Girl, I'm tired of hearing this
Let
noise.
your face. Look at the face.
Okay, we gotta see the face. Okay, we're getting into it. Okay, girl. Ah! Happy Halloween, girl.
The same.
Now let me see those faces. Show me your happy face.
Happy face.
Show me your sleepy face.
Do you see the way?
Your angry face. Your surprised face. Show me your excited face.
Excited face.
Show me your sad face. Show me your nervous face.
Face.
Show me your silly face.
See face.
This is a happy face. This is a happy face.
What is up? What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And I just came back from the fashion district again, and y'all already know I gotta show y'all what I got. Oh, y'all couldn't even see me. I gotta show y'all what I got, and I'm finna put y'all on these pillows because I don't feel like hooking my tripod up. But y'all, this is the stuff. That's all the stuff. So I'm finna show y'all what I got. Hopefully this is a good angle. Yeah. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all these legs, because I don't know how y'all gonna feel about these, but I love these. I'm gonna show y'all these with what I got it to go with. So I'm gonna say these 2 bags last. This, y'all, I could not leave without getting this. Y'all look at this hoodie. I got this from my boo-boo. I'm always thinking about my boo-boo. And y'all know we call him Chucky. So I was like, oh, look at this. I gotta show my mama, y'all. I gotta call my mama and show my mama this. What's this? Oh, this, I liked it. This is like a Mean Girls. This like reminded me of the Mean Girls movie. The little skirt, but I just got the dress like this. Super cute. What else? What's this? I just got some little jewelry. This was on sale. All this jewelry was $1. And I got a new nose ring. Just a little plain nose ring. Got me a new nose ring. Can't never go wrong with jewelry. And it was $1. Everything. Y'all, I got a new purse. Period. Y'all, this place where I'm getting these purses from, because I'm obsessed with purses. You can never go wrong with a bag. I will be there every 2 weeks until I leave. So racking up on purses. So stay tuned for the motherfucking haul when I get out the hauls for these. And I got this one. I was eyeing this one the last time and I had to get it. So I will be going back there every 2 weeks and getting purses. So far since I've been here, I have gotten, this is my 4th, these are my 4 purses. So I got 4 bags since I've been here. So yeah, y'all, let me call my mama on cam and get her reaction to these hoodies. But I'm gonna show y'all what else I got. Y'all, I love these shorts. I was hoping and praying that they had them when I went back, but they like some stringy shorts. I love these. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with them, but I'm gonna wear something with them. These are super cute. I don't know, my mama's going to bring this one. And y'all, this lady, what I got this outfit the same place I got them shorts. She talked me into getting it. So, and I these are the pants and this is the top. It looked super cute on the mannequin. I wonder how it's gonna look on me. And then I got these shoes to go with it. So I was gonna get some gold shoes to bring out the gold right here. But I was just like, the gold that they had was like that yellowish gold. And these are the shoes, y'all. If y'all don't know, if y'all haven't seen the shoe, there's like some Chanel shoes like this that's very trendy that people wear. And I like these. So I was debating on getting them. But when I put them on my feet, I was like, these are super cute. So I got this to go with this outfit. Yeah. And y'all, I want to try these shorts on, so I'm gonna try these shorts on, and then I'm gonna come back to the camera so y'all can see them.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world.
What is up, y'all? Here's the back with it again.
Peaceful dreams I see. The road leads back to you. I said, George. Georgia. No peace, just an old
Jerome got me down here to the beach, y'all. I'm so happy. Y'all, look at my outfit of the day. Finally got to wear my freaking outfit. I bought this like 2 weeks ago. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I bought this like 2 weeks ago to come to the beach. Y'all, I'm finna take a Polaroid. I want me one of them pictures. Yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel.
Y'all, we stranded. Jerome got us stranded out here charging our phones. Wait, can y'all see? Yeah, y'all see the charger. Child, who comes somewhere and they phone deader than a doorknob, and I ain't been able to pee? It's sad. Whole day ruined. It's dark outside. Damn. But we did go down to the beach. Well, I did. Jerome didn't. I did. But it's cute where we at. You see the elephant. Got the water right there. Real cute.
Why everybody want to sit so close?
Sis. Right there. Okay, y'all, we at this little place. I'm gonna get me a drink, y'all. They got everything. They got 1942. They got Patron. Period. I might get a Seaside Classic Margarita. It got tequila in it. And y'all know I'm a tequila girl. Tequila. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the Seaside Margarita with Patron instead of the tequila that they come with. Y'all, I got my drink. My Patron Margarita. I'm gonna be fucked up. Jerome doing his big one with me, y'all. You got two? Oh, you boiling? You got some cheese? Okay. That's cute. Let me see, Jerome. Show him. Let me see yours. So John. Okay. Hold on, let me put it in. Come on, we gotta take a sip. Go ahead. Try to get y'all some foot out here in this water. Get your own. Try not to be seen. Yeah. Oh, you on the block. Back at it again at the beach. Y'all, I love this outfit, Jones. Jones said it's y'all, look at him. He got a snake in his neck. Big ass. Hey y'all. I'm just coming on the camera because I got sent this hair from IC Hair that I got in my head right now. Put the hair in. This is the hair or whatever. It's a 30-inch deep curl. I don't really like my curly hair like that wet kind. Like if I do it wet, I still want it to be full because I got a big head, so I don't really like it all down. I won't say I won't wear it like that, but you know, it's new. I don't want to wear it like that right now, but it do look real pretty like that. I really do like this hair. Like I said, it's fluffed up right now, so it's like short, but you know, once it's like kind of got a little water on it, you can see the length in it. But I really like this hair. It's 150% density, and I do got a clip of when I got the hair and opening and stuff and what the lace looked like. I don't think I can't remember if I showed it with the actual pattern that it came in. I think because I opened it and I ran my fingers through it, but I'm gonna show y'all how the lace was like a brown lace. I wouldn't say that was a Swiss lace. I would probably say regular. I don't know. It's not Swiss lace because Swiss lace is thick. I think it was just like regular lace because that's what I think I clipped was like regular lace. So I don't know, but it had a brown tint to it. Like the lace itself had a brown tint to it. But yeah, I'm gonna probably come back and show y'all the hair wet, but I didn't want to wait too late. My hair get old, or I be done took it out and I didn't ever show the hair. Let me take this off. And y'all, my wig is not sewed down, so excuse that. But yeah, this the hair. I feel like it could be a little bit thicker, but for the most part, it look alright. It don't look bad. But yeah, I'm upgrading the stuff that I'm using to do my hair with, and it's like real better. Like I got that Erica J lace glue. I just got that and I am obsessed. I only got the small bottle, the little bottle, but I'm thinking about ordering me like 2 big bottles because that shit is good and it's worth it. Like I never tried it, but I seen like, you know, all the celebrities on Instagram and stuff, they be they be using it or whatever, and that's what made me really want to buy it. And like I didn't use Ghost Bond and Boho, but that lace by Erica J. And it smelled good. It smelled fucking delicious. And it's like that boho and the Ghost Bond, like every time I used to put my lace down, it used to always have white come through. It don't matter how I could let the lace sit, like sit and sit and sit, sit. Like, I mean, not the lace, but the glue sit and sit and sit and sit. And it could turn clear, and even some of it still be white, or even the times when I do let it turn clear, and then I put the belt, your little melt belt on the, it always turn white. That shit used to always piss me off. And it's like, I know I'm getting better at laying my lace down, but it's like the products, I don't know what it was, but this one, it was no white residue coming through or nothing. Like, I probably have to do a whole nother video, which I will, because I really did want to do a video with this hair, but it was just like a lot of confusion. So, but I guess everything all right now or whatever. So, but I did make a TikTok. Like I said, follow your girl on TikTok. I snapped on TikTok, had my first viral moment on TikTok, mini viral moment. I think my video, let me show y'all. But y'all go to my TikTok and check out the video. I'm not gonna put it in the video because
Girl, what are you talking about? Bullshit. I had to tell that nigga. Look, nigga, I'm a hooch. Same goose. I'm on their neck like oopsie. Got these niggas twisted in the head like they like. If you broke, give a pussy, then you.
Everybody, which I hear this in person. I even made a TikTok. Like I said, y'all come over here to TikTok. I can't show y'all everything. I just wanted to show y'all that one video because honey, your girl snap. But everybody telling me I look like freaking Jennifer Hudson, which I hear it in person. People always telling me this, but y'all, look, she talking about baby. Let me see, baby, you look like Effie. Y'all, they is going crazy in the comments with this Jennifer Hudson. And like, I used to think like nobody that's my first time me posting, and people on the internet are saying that I look like Jennifer Hudson. Like, people always, I done got that a few times in real life, but it's like, for people to say that on the internet, I must really look like her. Like, I'm talking about multiple people. So that is so crazy to me. But yeah, y'all, I gotta get ready for work tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, y'all, peace out. Y'all better be tuned in. And I know this ain't even the end of the vlog, so if you watching till here, whenever I post this, y'all just know I'm gonna put my heart, time, and energy into editing all this stuff. Do not skip. Watch the whole video. Support your girl. Leave a thumbs up, because I really feel like I'm opening up like every day, even though y'all can't see me because it's just me recording until I get my laptop and stuff and edit and give y'all this footage. But I think this is gonna be a good vlog. So y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Peace. Y'all, I forgot to show y'all this, the video I showed y'all. Y'all see me, like I said, miniature viral moment. I went up to 29.7K period. And you know, they've been fucking with all my other videos and stuff too. Y'all come over there on TikTok. Hanging the fuck out. So y'all, okay. Ooh, oh, my camera fell. Hold on. Why is it not auto-focusing? Oh, okay. Y'all, I'm low-key pissed off, aggravated, because my apartment complex people is just pissing me off. They're aggravating the fuck out of me. And I don't know. I probably am finna move from my apartment because I just can't take it no more. It's really not worth it. anymore. The stuff that is like that they have me going through. You know what I'm saying? It's been something since I moved out there. It's an income-based apartment, basically like the projects. Honestly, the projects is better than where the fuck I'm staying, so that tells you a lot. I'm just over it. I'm tired, and they just aggravating me. I refuse to spend my money where it's not valued. Like where I stay at, it's not worth what they're gonna ask me to pay, and I'm not paying for that. I'm just not. Like, and if this the next phase of my life, well, you know, I'm supposed to be prepared to move on to some different shit, because it got to be something better than where I'm at anyway. So I'm just finna get my shit and go. But today I'm finna call them because they keep leaving notes on my door and stuff. You know, I'm way out here in Cali, so I can't just run home and see what the hell they want. So, and it's basically like that's what they want. Like every time they see me gone, which I don't even know why y'all clocking to see if I'm home or if I'm not home or what's going on or anything like that. But y'all clocking me like if I'm home, if I'm not home. Y'all watching the cameras to see if y'all see me. Then like y'all follow, I blocked them on Facebook because I don't know, they was creeping on Facebook trying to see what the hell I had going on Facebook. Blocked their ass. Now y'all be on my YouTube trying to see what I'm doing on YouTube, watching my videos, seeing what I got going on my YouTube channel. Like, bitch, I'm sick of y'all. Y'all are aggravating. So I'm finna call and talk to these people, and I feel like I'm finna get them a piece of my mind. Like, the whole time I've been staying out there, I used to be biting my tongue, not saying nothing, not being disrespectful or whatever. I say my little pieces, but, you know, I try to be respectful for the most part because, you know, you just never know how people be. And it seems like every time I do speak my mind, a bitch will be like, all right, bye, all right, go, all right, bitch, you could go. So I don't be wanting people to do that. So, like, now, so I'm gonna call them and talk to them. Probably let them know how I feel, what they got to say. They so fucking disrespectful. That's another thing why I really don't want to be out there no more. They so disrespectful. They don't care about nobody. They really don't want to see the girls that's out there with they kids' daddy. They don't want to see none of that shit. Like, y'all so not, I don't know. Like I said, I'm finna call them. And I'm going to record them since y'all always on my fucking YouTube channel. And y'all want to see what the fuck I'm posting on YouTube. I'm going to put y'all motherfucking ass on blast on motherfucking YouTube. Period. So we finna call them and we finna see what's the tea.
Cali, how may I help you?
This is Mia, and I'm calling because y'all steady putting notes on my door.
No, we could have. I'm not.
I mean, I done got calls that y'all done put about 3-4 notes on my door about who at my house, what's going on in my house, how my house looking, all this and this and that, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
He is not allowed to live there. He's not on your lease.
It don't matter about him living there. He can be there. Y'all don't know if he living or not. When y'all go home, y'all don't know if he there or not.
Yeah, pretty much. Anyway, if you would like to make an appointment to talk to Brenda, she will be back on the 1st.
I'm not, y'all put a note on my door saying I got to be and make an appointment on the 30th. I'm not going to be able to make no appointment on the 30th. So if that's the case, I'm going to have to be.
On the 30th. I said she will be back on the 1st. If you want to make it after that.
But you left a note on my door saying that.
I'm telling you, if you want to make an appointment to see her after the 1st, that will be fine. Can I schedule you an appointment?
I'm not going to be making no appointment.
Okay.
Unless she can talk on the phone. I'm not gonna make no appointment.
She wants an in-contact person. You'll need to come into the office. So
okay, well, if I wanted to just
after the 1st to make an appointment.
Okay, if I just wanted to move out, then what I have to do, honey? Because I'm not gonna make no appointment.
A 30-day notice, and it has to be in writing.
Girl, Well, y'all got fax machines. Y'all ain't got that in y'all building. Y'all supposed to have fax machines, email. Yeah, y'all need to email me. How about that?
You can email it, yes.
Okay, fine. That's what I'm saying, y'all. So fucking rude. So fucking rude. Like, you ain't even really want me to get out nothing I had to say. But it's fine. It is fine. That is just fine. Cause y'all, I'm so sick of them. Like, y'all do not understand. I think I've been staying out there. I think it's finna be 4 years. I'm sick of that. I am sick of that. I'm sick of them. I'm sick of everything. Like, everything. I don't want to be out there no more. So, yeah, and that's just on period. Like, y'all finna join this transition with me, because I'm finna transition into a whole nother phase of my life. Which, I'm nervous. I ain't gonna lie and say I'm not nervous. I am. Because you never know what's your next obstacle. And I'm gonna be real. I think my reason for being nervous is because I feel like we as people get so comfortable in whatever situation was in, and that's the problem. You never should get comfortable with nothing, because if you get comfortable, you gonna always be stuck there. And I'm not trying to be stuck there. You know, that's an income-based apartment. I see more in my life than an income-based apartment. All that shit. It's not all of that. It's not up to date. It's not nothing. I don't give a fuck. You know, people might say, oh, da 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 da, she done went to, you know, da da da, now she acting da da da. I don't give a fuck. A bitch can say what the fuck they want to say. When I get done with this, I'll figure out what I'm doing. So yeah.